Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top. But if you don't have this icon, go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings and after that open the charging case. Do not remove your earbuds from the case. At the bottom near to USB-C port we have connection button. You need to press and hold this button for at least 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now we just enter to pairing mode. So we see these headphones at the device list, and you need to click connect near to your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.